we'll move further and we'll continue with anti-Markovnikov's rule. Write one question, explain. Write one question, explain anti-Markovnikov's rule. Anti-Markovnikov's rule with example. Written? It is also known as peroxide effect. Peroxide effect. It is also known as Kharash effect. It is also known as Mayo effect, and sometime it is also called as Kharash Mayo effect. First, write down statement. First, write down statement. Give heading statement and write it down. In presence of peroxide, repeat with me. In presence of peroxide, when an unsymmetrical reagent adds to unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part of reagent goes to the carbon atom containing more number of hydrogen atom. Simple. Exact opposite of extra condition peroxide. Acha, what kind of peroxide? We can have either hydrogen peroxide H2O2, or we can have benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide, right? Or sometimes sodium peroxide. Sodium peroxide. What is the formula? Na2O2. It has a little bit of complex structure. Benzoyl peroxide. We have one benzene ring, then C double bond O, single bond O, single bond O, C double bond O, and again aromatic ring. Oxygen single bond is known as peroxy linkage. Linkage means bond. Anywhere if you are observing oxygen single bond, it is called as peroxy linkage. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2. What will be the structure of sodium peroxide? NaO single bond O sodium, right? Got it? Hey, tell me, what is the purpose of Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule? In what condition are we going to use Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule? Whenever there is reaction between unsymmetrical reagent and unsymmetrical alkene. Normally what we get two products. So Markovnikov's rule help us to find out the major product only. We are getting two products, right? One major, one minor. Which will be the major one? It will be indicated by Markovnikov's rule. Getting it?
Yes.
Tell me the name of this organic compound. Tell me the name of this organic compound. Tell me the name of this organic compound. Is it a propene? Pakka. Root word prop. Position 1, right? 1. What about suffix E and E? Common name. Propylene, right? This is reacting with HBr. What is HBr? Hydrobromic acid or hydrogen bromide. Getting it? There are two possibilities, right? There are two possibilities. First possibility is that negative part, that is bromide ion, can attack on this carbon and hydrogen will attack on, right? So what will be the product? CH3 single bond CH. This double bond will break and we will convert this into single bond CH2. Hydrogen is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Then CH2 single bond. What is the name of this product? Name of this product? Common name. Tell me the common name. Tell me the common name. Huh? Is it an isopropyl group or sec propyl group? Or N? What does that N indicates?
Normal straight chain.
Normally, when we write N, straight chain, more than 2 carbon atoms, right? And the functional group must be attached with primary carbon only. Getting it? ठीक है. This is an propyl bromide. What about IUPAC name? 1 bromopropane, right? 1 bromo, right? There is one more possibility, right? There is one more possibility. What is that possibility? That this negative part can attack on this carbon also, and then in that condition this hydrogen will attack on this carbon. What will be the second product of the reaction? Right? Tell me. CH3 will remain as it is, single bond, then CH, CH, what will come? Bromine, na? Bromine. Double bond will break, it will get converted into single bond, then CH2 or CH3. There are two common names of this organic product. What is that? Is it an iso group? Is it an iso group? Is there a CH group attached with 2 methyl group? Yes, pakka. This is iso. How many carbon atoms? 3. Right? Propyl group. Isopropyl bromide. One more common name. Yes, functional group is attached with secondary carbon. So we can write sec propyl. What about IUPAC name? If this is 1 bromopropane, what will be this? 2 bromopropane. We are getting 2 products. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Condition is what? Hydrogen peroxide. Right? Pakka. So negative part will again and again it will attack on the carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen atom. Getting it? Pakka? समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है? Then in that condition hydrogen will go to the second carbon atom. ठीक है? What will be the major product? Second one or first one? Second one or first one? Bromine is attacking again and again on CH2. Which carbon atom? First carbon atom, na? Yes. Which product? First or second? First. So this will be the major product. 80%. This value is practical value for this reaction only. So what will be this? 20%. And it will be minor. Getting it? Again, we'll call out statement. In presence of peroxide like H2O2 or Na2O2 or benzoyl peroxide, when an unsymmetrical reagent adds to unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part of reagent goes to the carbon atom containing more number of hydrogen atom. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes.